First, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mohammed Barrak, the Chief Technology Officer at Jahez, with more than 10 years of experience in technology solutions. I've been part in different startups, starting from Silicon Valley to Saudi Arabia, with different domains: health, logistic, food delivery, and e-commerce. I would like to welcome you all in this session. The future of the services in the digital era. If I would talk about the technology in all domains, it would take ages. But today I'll be talking about the technology in services around us, from simple daily routines to complex and delicate operations. Let's start with the health sector, for example. The technology has improved the services from making an appointment with your doctor to operating a delicate and complex procedure. As for the education, it also managed to improve for decades, and thankfully you can see this in the pandemic, that how technology has helped us to maintain and continue the education with the online, and also creating and digitizing the content, leveraging the artificial intelligence. We can also see the technology improving the transportation. We can see that in the last decade, the digitization has changed the way we commute, from ride-hailing to having an autopilot transportation. It used to be of the science fiction, but now it is realistic, and we can see that this dominating in the transportation in the near future. As for the food delivery, this market, which is, I would say, within our domain, have been evolving really recently, and thanks to the technology. First, I would start with having this market, starting from the supplier to the consumer, has different opportunities, and which, with the technology, has created different opportunities and experiences. I would focus for now on the online food delivery. When it was started, it started with having the relationship between the merchants and the online food delivery platforms. After a couple of years, we noticed recently that a new market was created by integrating between these two markets, and this market is evaluated in billions of dollars right now. We can see also a new market was created, which is the cloud kitchen. So with the cloud kitchen, which is dedicated for the online food delivery only, a market is expanding, and it has a growth that expanding also the food delivery in general. Moving to the e-commerce. E-commerce have been there for decades, and yet we see a new concept, which is the quick commerce. And this concept was actually created recently, which is actually delivering items to customers immediately rather than waiting for days or weeks. All these experiences and features and opportunities were improved, and actually some of them actually created by merging the technology with the services and actions that we do on our daily basis. As you can see, that there are these services around us in different domains, places, different actions, rather than it was health, education, lifestyle, or places like home, office, or commuting in between, or even actions like work, hobby, or even a process within a certain domain. All these services are digitized and help to create markets, and yet there are still untapped opportunity that we can leverage using our today's technology to take us to the next, to the total level that can help us to generate a digitized era. Thank you for your time.